how to use the assistant menu to accept or decline an incoming call with a single tap, no swiping needed, on the Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. And from here, tap on assistant menu. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once it is turned on, tap on replace swipe with single tap. And after that, when you receive an incoming call, all you have to do is simply tap on it to accept the call, or to reject a call, just tap on the reject button. And that's it. So no swiping needed. If you turn this off, then to answer the call, you will need to swipe to answer or decline the call. So here, to accept or decline a call, you need to swipe it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.